Hi everyone! Ahojte! We are in the middle of winter and it's very cold. For us Slovaks, it is the perfect time to make outdoor activities and sports. Today, in Linguarte, we will show you some of the most practiced winter sports with verbs and useful phrases for each one. Download a document with this lesson on the link in the description. Let's start! Začíname! The most popular sport in Slovakia, especially in the Tatra mountains, is skiing, lyžovanie. We practice lyžovanie in the mountains, hory, at the ski resort, lyžiarske stredisko. Other useful words are funicular, lanovka, line, rad, ski pass, it's just ski pass. Cart, karta. Slope, zjazdovka. Bar, restaurant, reštaurácia. Winter clothes, zimné oblečenie. Ice, ľad. Speed, rýchlosť. Important verbs are to ski, lyžovať. To go skiing, ísť lyžovať. To make short turns, robiť oblúky, robiť oblúčiky. To slide, klzať sa. To stop, zastaviť. To go up, ísť hore. To go down, ísť dole. The basic equipment for skiing is skis, lyže, ski poles, palice, helmet, prilba, gloves, rukavice, ski boots, lyžiarky, goggles, lyžiarske okuliare. You might need almost the same equipment and vocabulary for snowboarding, just adding the snowboard and viazanie. The next sport is ice skating, korčulovanie. In Slovakia, it's possible to find many indoor and outdoors rinks, klzisko, to practice korčulovanie. Some verbs are to ice skate, korčulovať sa, to fall, spadnúť, to stand up, postaviť sa, to bend, ohnúť sa, to jump, skákať, to sweat, potiť sa. The equipment needed for ice skating is skates, korčule, and some of the same equipment mentioned before. Sledding, sánkovanie, is a fun and easy activity for both adults and children. For this, you might need these words: sleigh, sánky, winter clothing, zimné oblečenie, and of course, hill, kopec, mountain, hora, sledding track, sánkárska dráha. Some verbs are to sled, sánkovať sa. To rent, prenajať. Ice hockey, is a national passion in Slovakia. You can see it every year during the World Championship. Important words are game, zápas, rink, klzisko, goal, goal, stadium, štadión, victory, víťazstvo, defeat, porážka, ticket, lístok. Also, some verbs are to play hockey, hrať hokej, to score a goal, dať gól, to win, vyhrať, to lose, prehrať. The equipment for playing hockey is this: hokejka, hockey stick, puck, The goal, brána, bránka, brankár, goalie, dres, jersey, ped, chrániče. Finally, another very popular sport is cross-country skiing, bežkovanie or ski alp, or simply winter hiking, zimná turistika. For all of them, you need the same vocabulary already mentioned. Now it's your time to practice. Try to say the following words in Slovak. Mountain, to slide, skis, great practice! Let us know in the comments what other words you might add. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Ciao!